As the number of COVID-19 cases increases around the country, we have been looking into the plan to address it in Alabama.
State Capitol reporter RESHAD HUDSON has the facts.
While there's no concrete plan in place, Governor Kay Ivey has created a coronavirus task force out of what she calls an abundance of caution. And new tonight, the State Department of Education is putting their plan together for schools. The state of Alabama is now surrounded by cases of the coronavirus. Tennessee, Georgia, and Florida all have confirmed cases. Governor Kay Ivey has created a coronavirus task force made up of state officials and disease specialists.
Our goal is to be on top of this situation and give all the folks the guidance they need, but I've started bumping instead of hugging. One
of those members include House Speaker McCutcheon.
I feel very confident that we're not overlooking this issue. It's important, and it's a very serious thing that we need to consider, and the public health officials in Alabama have got this at the top of the list.
The Alabama Department of Public Health says they've been monitoring coronavirus since January. ADPH has monitored around 100 people who traveled to China. Less than 10 of them showed symptoms and have tested negative for the virus.
We make contact with those individuals when they return to the state. We advise them on how to monitor themselves and to seek care if they become ill.
The Alabama Hospital Association says hospitals around Alabama have a plan.
We have developed processes to screen and to isolate individuals who present to the hospitals meeting the CDC criteria for the virus.
The State Department of Education says trying to stop the spread of illnesses is something teachers do all the time.
So teachers are constantly making sure that students are washing their hands, taking care of themselves, taking care of their friends, and trying to make sure we don't spread sickness in school.
Dr. Mackey says students should only stay home if they have a fever.
We as adults don't need to overspread fear to children. We need to be responsible adults.
State officials say that the coronavirus risk remains low in Alabama. Reporting in Montgomery, RESHAD HUDSON, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.